At the beginning of doing the magic loop, you want to split your stitches between 3 sections. 1 to go on one needle, 1 to go on the cable, and 1 to go on the second needle. After you have them split, make sure no stitches are twisted and make your needles meet with the stitches slipped to the end so that they are not pulling extra. Bring your working yarn out away from you and bring the tail down. In the pattern, we casted on an extra stitch which you will slip over to the left needle, and before making any new stitches, place your stitch marker. Now the pattern calls for a twisted rib, so your first stitch, as long as it's cinched tight, is knitting through the back of the loop, and you'll knit both of those stitches together. This acts to join in the round. Proceed with your twisted rib. Once you get to the end of that row, you'll now have 2 rows of stitches. Turn. Make sure your working yarn is coming out from the back needle. Work the cable through so that the stitches on the bottom row are at the end of the next needle. The needle in front are the stitches you're going to be working. Pull out the back needle, and having your working yarn set to go, continue your twisted rib. This is one reason a 24-inch or even a 32-inch circular needle is very helpful, to have lots of slack in the cable. After this second turn, you're brought to the last set of stitches that will complete an entire round of knitting once knitted up to the marker.